Hey guys, Austin with MeasureSquare here, and today I'll go over how to create and view tasks. Tasks are located near the bottom of the left-hand column. We'll click into the menu and take a look at our filter options. From the bottom up, we have columns with arrows that allow us to sort or reverse the order of the listed tasks. For example, when clicking the arrows next to start time, it will now show us the task with the oldest created dates at the top. But if we click again, we can see the arrow change and our oldest created tasks are at the bottom, showing us our most recently created tasks at the top. Above the columns, we have our first set of filters. We can choose to look at the tasks created by certain people, within a certain time frame, or by the type of task or level of completion. The topmost filters are presets. We can create our own combination of filters below and switch to that view with a single click. Pretty impressive. To create a task, we can click on the New Task button on the upper right. If the task is related to a certain project, it might be easy to create the task from within that project. So we'll enter 221 Walnut and find the Edit Task button on the left-hand column to create our new task. We can see the bottom half already filled out and the name has been filled in to match the project. All we need to do is assign a category, task type, assignee, and relabel the name if needed. To set a time window, we can use the calendar on the left to drag out a block, and we can adjust the end date to have the task span multiple days. Once we save our task, we'll be brought into the task overview screen. From here, we can see contact and project information and add in any notes or data related to the task. Once we have everything done as requested, we can click this blue button to complete the task. Our task can also be viewed from the calendar as well. The calendar is located at the top of the screen. We can also change the view from day or to week or month. From there, we can toggle tasks and installations on or off depending on what information we want to see displayed. Clicking on a task will display some information and also have the link to take you to the related project if one has been assigned. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below and join me in the next video for more information on MeasureSquare CRM.